have been announced. A 4-1-2-3 formation, a slightly more cautious version of the 4-3-3, with one midfielder on defensive duties. Let's get going with today's game. Gakpo. Surely now. A short goal kick there. Oh, and dispossessed there. Oh, that's great determination. Confident pass. And it's back to the keeper. Really good possession here. He's charging down the wing. Oh, he did really well there. Good defending there. Oh, determined challenge there. Nodded on. Now it's Diaz. Passed into the box. The goal kick taken short. They've misplaced a lot of their passes. Finds his teammate. Van Dijk with a tackle. What a well-timed tackle. Lovely pass. Surely now. He's done it. They've done the hard work. Can they hold on? A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. Here's Van Dijk. The first 45 minutes are up. They've taken the initiative, but will they end the game with a Global Challenge Cup? They're ahead, but all that can change. They'll have to work hard to keep their lead. Passing the ball really well. He dribbles the ball forward. And Bellingham scores. A marvellous goal to watch and a great finish at the end of it. Oh, we need to see that goal again. Cut out. And he stayed onside. And there it is, goal. The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Salah. He loves to run with the ball. That's a rash challenge there. The player seems in pain. Let's hope he's not too badly injured. But after that injury, they're making a change. Well, they needed to get get that one away, and they have. Now it's Diaz. Oh, well timed. He did well to win the ball back. Perfectly executed. Jota. Won the ball. Booted forward by the keeper. Szoboszlai advances. Good defending. And he's won it back for his team. And it looks like they've got the trophy all wrapped up now. He's got the ball at his feet. And he's clear of the defence. Can he finish it? Keeper glad to see that one go wide. The sub is coming on to replace the injured player. He steps up to steal the ball. Goalkeeper receives the ball. Here's Van Dijk. Nice pass. And the Global Challenge Cup is theirs. Amazing scenes here as the players and manager celebrate wildly. And the moment's finally here as the manager and team rally together to lift the Global Challenge Cup.
Want to develop your career quickly? Come to Alibaba.com. Search for matches. Identify the right one. Pay with confidence. Fulfill with transparency.